Hey, it's Sammy on Friday, May 16th. We took 9 trades in YM Dow Futures today for 267 points. Let's take a look and see how the day unfolded. This is our first trade. We are trading with that short time frame data. If you look up there, we're coming off of the overnight high in the value area. We're really compressed right now, but our short time frame data is kicking in, so we're going to take this trade. As always, we want to move that stop loss down to protect ourselves when we're in these pre-market conditions and we're right around this volume point of control area. You can see this trade is really starting to struggle here. We're just going to go ahead and lock in 22 points. Look right over there to the left. The trade was really struggling, so we got out of the trade right there, locked in those 22 points. It pulled back up about 15-20 points. We re-entered because we have some more data. Now it's still just short time frame data. We're going to move that stop loss down to break even, and you can see it quickly gets hit. Now we're coming in here, breaking through VWAP, this short break that I've got marked on the chart, and we're pre-market right now by about 5 minutes. So we're coming in right before the market open. Now I really want to let this trade run, but I know when the market opens, it's going to go crazy. So we're just going to lock in 21 points right here and see what happens at the open. You can see exactly what happened at the open. The market shot way up really fast and it rolled back over. We've got our data intact to the short side. We're going to go ahead and enter this trade. As we approach yesterday's closing price, we're going to go ahead and lock in 32 points. You can see what happened right after we locked in that 32 points. The market aggressively went back up off of the yesterday closing price. Now we're coming back through this deviation right here. So we're re-entering. We've got plenty of data to the short side. Powerful momentum, sentiment, volatility across multiple time frames. Quickly goes down this deviation 2 area for plus 57 points. Now we failed to go through the sell side. All the data is starting to roll over and we're starting to go long off of that low of session. Reversal trades just require a little bit of practice, but you can see our short time frame data flips all the way over and we're heading up here kind of towards the open price right there where we have that horizontal line. But as we hit VWAP here, we're going to lock in 36 points. Now we're just past 10 a.m. Look over to the left, you can see that giant orange pin bar. That was 10 o'clock red news, so we're not trading that, but the market consolidated right after. We got a little trend line there. We've got our long break here right above the open price in yesterday's high. We're heading up towards that green line, which is deviation 1. Now, as we struggle here at this value area high, we're going to lock in 27 points when we're bobbling around up here. Now, everything rejected that value area high in that deviation 1, so the data's rolling back over to put the bears back in control, as you can see here. So we're going to take this short as we break through this trend line in this short zone. The market's really been respecting the deviation, so this red line in yesterday's close is deviation 1. We're going to lock in 42 points here. Now, of course, I went to the gym, got my workout on, came back, missed a ton of this amazing long right here. Bunch of traders in our group were able to pull anywhere from 90 to 50 points out of these moves. And I got in a little bit late, but I'm punching through the overnight high. We're heading up here towards that 123.6, that resistance line, and that Fibonacci line up there. Now this purple line is one of our GAN zones, so I'm actually going to lock in 30 points and just be done for the day and enjoy the weekend.